Welcome to Saksham's channel.
This is a easy store large slide from Little Tikes. We bought this from Amazon and it has easy steps for climbing, wide base stability and gentle slope which is about 5 feet for sliding. Now enjoy the video. Do you like surprises?
Yes.
Do you want me to bring a surprise for you?
Yes.
So Saksham, are you ready for the surprise gift?
Yes.
Okay, then close your eyes. Finally the gift has arrived. This is for my little tiger, Saksham. We wanted to surprise him and this has just arrived. He does not have any clue about it. Let's see how he's going to react. So Saksham, now you can open your eyes. Your gift has arrived. Go and check it. You like it? Yeah, sure. Let's go and open it. Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's see.
And this one. And no Papa slide.
You like slide?
Yes.
So you like slides?
Yes.
Wow. It might need some cleanup once you assemble it. Oh. So I think we have to join these parts together. Saksham, can you give me the scissor? It's over there.
Me. This is not for you.
Who said that? This is for you. I ordered it for me because I don't go and play in the parks, right?
This is
mine.
for me. It's not
This is
for you.
This is for me and for your mama.
No,
Not for you.
No, this is for me.
But you are already a grown-up boy, right?
No, this is.
You are not small anymore. How could you play with this?
No, this is for mine. This is not for you. Are you still playing with slides up?
So Risha plays with the slide.
This is for me. It's not for you. It's not for me. It's for me.
This is slightly.
Because you order for me. It's not for you. But you're
Let's see what else we can connect. So let's give it to someone else. Sakshi. You're already a grown-up boy, right? You don't play with it anymore.
I play.
So you like to play?
I play with new things. I don't play with
Old toys.
old toys.
So you like such toys?
Yes. I like new toys. I don't like old toys.
So make me. So Saksham, you like it?
Yes. I like this. I like toys.
So now your slide is ready. Try a slide now. How is it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Great. So guys, we have successfully given a surprise gift to our child tiger, and he loves to play with slides. So now enjoy. You want to slide with your balls here? Basketballs?
Yes.
Why? Why don't you slide yourself? The slide is not for basketballs.
It's fun.
Basketballs also.
Yes.
So how was your toy?
I liked it, Papa. I love you, Papa.
Good. Okay. So guys, this was the stage 2 slides by Little Tikes. It's a very studied slides for kids, especially for age more than 4 or 5 years, and they can play indoor. They don't have to go outside. They can enjoy slides, even staying in the house also. Thanks for watching.